Hi, here is a short video showing my e-stop setup for LinuxCNC. I'm using a ABB SSR10 safety relay here, which controls all these contactors, which in turn power the power circuit of these server drives. The logic circuit is not going through the contactors, it remains powered all the time. Let's turn on the main power and see what happens here. So, the Mesa cards here are up and running. But the e-stop indicator here is solid red. This means I cannot enable the reset button here. It's stuck. We are stuck in e-stop. Let's start LinuxCNC here. And as soon as LinuxCNC comes online, we now have power here to the e-stop circuit, so we can actually reset it. And so if I click reset here, the relay enables and the drives get full power here. We can also see here in LinuxCNC that everything is fine and dandy. If we trigger a physical e-stop here using the button, click, we can see that it also triggered LinuxCNC here. And in LinuxCNC I cannot re-enable the e-stop. I can only do it using the physical button to reset it. Click. If we trigger the e-stop from LinuxCNC here, same thing. The physical e-stop is triggered and we cannot reset it here. We have to use the button. If I close LinuxCNC, yes, we want to exit. Now we have a solid red indicator here and we cannot reset the e-stop. This is actually a quite simple setup. I'm using one input and one output on this Mesa 7i84 board. This input here is to tell Linux if there is if the e-stop is okay or not, and this output here is actually what drives the e-stop loop that goes all the way back to one of the inputs on this safety relay. So if LinuxCNC is not running, the e-stop loop doesn't get any power and the e-stop relay detects that. And also the physical buttons are rendered useless in that case. So that was a simple setup. I'll post the HAL code on the LinuxCNC forum.